Colorado's forests, especially those dominated by species like ponderosa pine and lodgepole pine, have evolved with fire as a natural part of their ecology. Thinning reduces the density of trees and removes excess fuel, which helps prevent catastrophic wildfires that can be exacerbated by the state's dry climate and periodic droughts. Colorado has experienced significant outbreaks of mountain pine beetles, which have killed millions of trees. Thinning can help manage beetle populations by removing infested trees and reducing the stress on remaining trees, making them more resilient to pest attacks. Colorado's forests play a critical role in the state's water cycle. Thinning can help maintain healthy watersheds by reducing water consumption by dense tree stands and promoting the flow of water to streams and rivers, which is essential for both ecological balance and human consumption.